Hello everyone! In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to connect your AWeber account with Payhip, allowing you to streamline your email marketing efforts and effectively communicate with your customers. Let's get started. To integrate AWeber email list with Payhip, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Connect AWeber to Payhip. Begin by navigating to your marketing page within Payhip. Click on Mailing List and then Set up Mailing List and select AWeber as your email service provider. This selection will redirect you to an authorization page. Click on Save Details. Step 2. Log into AWeber to allow OAuth access. Provide your login credentials, including your email address and password associated with your AWeber account. Once entered, click Allow Access to activate the integration. Step 3. Set up your mailing list within AWeber. Create a mailing list, known as Lists. Enable the Automatically Subscribe Customers to Mailing List setting for each product in Payhip. This allows you to link each product with a specific mailing list. Remember to save changes to ensure customers are added to your mailing list upon purchase. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate your AWeber email list with Payhip to streamline your email marketing efforts. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Payhip for free.